oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, tobacco. Oh, there, bugger, just about to have a smoke. I took a close look at this package that's being offered for me. They don't look too good, boy. Oh, they should get something more prettier on these packages. Yeah. Not that it mattered to me what's on here. I'm gonna buy what I buy and do what I do anyways. Oh! Oh, okay, everything's okay there. But then look at that, look over the inspection, look at that. It tell me morning cough after these, I have a morning cough. Oh, sorry, I looked it up a bit more. Oh, coughing is your lungs is a warning. Oh, coughing, what the heck is going on? Yeah, I think I just you know, we gotta have conflicting messages. Yeah, you gotta start to telling you you're a bad boy, that you're gonna die. You wanna read things that are gonna tell you you're gonna live. You're gonna live a long time. Oh, hey, yeah. You're gonna do well. Your children aren't gonna get taken away from you from CFS. Yeah. And your parents are gonna go to the casino. It's all getting better, boy. Life is getting good. Don't let anybody trick you or convince you that life is not too good. 'Cause life is good. Look at this is just evidence. Just evidence of life. And it's all its greatness. Look, I just want to swim and just go over there. Yeah. Maybe just walk and see how far it could go. You want to come with me? Yeah. Oh, that letterbox white man was coming out in him. Yeah. Oh, just a moment of white man in my blood. Yeah. Telling me what to do. Tell me that I shouldn't go there. Yeah. Tell me that it's already taken. Yeah. They own it already, boy. Somebody else owns it. I see it hiding over there. I just want to stay there. Just tell Wild Bill that's okay. That's okay, Wild Bill. I'm okay here. Just come see me in a couple months. Yeah. Just leave me back. Just leave me my smokes and do okay. Oh, I hear that squirrel talking. Sounds like somebody's coming. Yeah. Uh-oh.